Buenos dias. Sorry, that's the last vlog. Anyway, good morning from where I am filming. It is morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are watching this. It is a Friday. It is March. The weather today is miserable. It's been a nice start of the week. So I'm going to go find a ferret and we're going to go find some food. Catch up with you again shortly.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and what time of day you're watching. And welcome back to the channel. So today we're off to Derby, so I'm going to meet up with Ash somewhere along route. And then we'll get back to you as soon as we get to Derby. So for you, it'll be in a couple of seconds, but for us it'll be about an hour. So catch you in a bit. And so, we have made it to Derby.
And so we keep saying, and so. We need a better catchphrase.
We need to stop doing that as well.
Oh no, it's a bad habit.
Right. So, if you noticed in the Spain vlog, yeah, we kept saying that. But anyway, to the point, we've
made it to the factory food court.
Yeah.
Try saying that when you've had about 7 pints.
Too many Fs. But
too many F and Fs, yeah. So the plan now is, because I am getting hangry.
Yes.
Because I'm always hangry. Plan is now go raid food. I don't know where we're going to start. Yeah. I'm kind of thinking tacos.
Yeah, it's a kind of street food venue, so there's all different places.
It'll never top the street food vendors, well, it might do. I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah. Oh, we also need to get to Pop Brixton again soon because that's closing the end of the year.
Hey?
Yeah. Did you not see the Facebook post?
No, that's not relevant to this. We're rambling off traffic. Right, anyway, focus on this place for now. And that is. So happy to say my expectations were not only met but exceeded. First stop for us of the open places was Curry Cartel. Obviously I was expecting some sort of Mexican combination, but that's my brain and stereotyping. So the quality of the food here was incredible. Had this lovely curry lamb mixed with this Chinese style chicken, bit of salad and some lovely sweet rice. Went down exceeding well. Quality fantastic, price also really good. Happily recommend here. And so, great, now I've started doing it. Next on the stop was Kebab Guys. The food here was absolutely incredible. It was their Pink Panther special with a pink bun. How I do that, I don't know. Anyway, all I can say is the kebab meat there was absolutely incredible. It was some of the best, moistest food I've had in my life. Chips are also really well cooked. Again, if you're in the area, go support this place. And not more to say than that, obviously. Great food, great prices, and great people.
And so,
and again with the answer. They need to find a new catchphrase.
You definitely need to get a new catchphrase for that. Anyway, to the point.
To the point, sounds like a good plan. On that note, so it turns out not everything opens until 4 o'clock, which we didn't check up. Apart from the weekend on a Friday.
Yeah.
Did I say it was Friday earlier? I don't remember. Anyway, someone inconveniently parked a pub right there, as you saw, which means it's unfortunate. It means you have to go in and have the pint.
And there's a couple of pubs on the way back to the station as well. So
probably are. So we might do a few more. Who knows? Anyway, until everything else opens, pint break. Don't you dare say the line. Don't. Warning you.
And so.
No, for fuck's sake. Done that on purpose. Anyway.
We were actually going to say that, folks.
No.
It was he tempted me.
Doesn't need stopping. It is. Problem is, John doesn't need coaching. He needs stopping. Like with eating. Food was incredible, but I think after that 1 pint, I am done.
Yeah, I'm the same. Well, I definitely am the same.
Yeah. So the pub in the Smithfield, it's proper old-fashioned booze. It's really good. If you're ever in the area, I would recommend dropping in there. Apparently they do the live band nights as well, so something to keep an eye on. It's back in the area. Mm-hmm. And I think I have to come again at some point and actually try more food. I really want tacos. Although they're probably not like the tacos you get. And here's one thing, I'm going to be that person. Go, you want good tacos? TKO near other place in Madrid, or was it Radio Tacos? Also, they were near Caído off the Gran Via. Yeah. In Madrid, they are some of the best I've had, and they're about €1 each.
Yeah, compared to over here, you'd pay like 4 or 5 quid.
Yeah, for like 3 or 4. It's like, I think the best you get like 3 for a tenner, and it's like I could get 10 for €10 in Madrid. So There's no one bug, but I don't know what the tacos are like because they weren't open, and sadly I am out eating for today, so
Yeah.
I will have to come back and try them another time. I'm not going to knock them, I'm not going to say they're not good, because I don't know, so I can't. But yeah, I think the plan is wander back to the station, past River
You mean
Derwent.
waddle back.
Waddle, wobble, wibble, dingle dangle, lippy tappy tooter, so on and so
What?
forth. It's
He's only had one.
It's a Doctor Who thing, if you know, you know.
Ah, fair enough.
Anyway, so that might be it, I think, for today. I don't know.
I think that's it. If there's anything else, we'll
No, keep it short and sweet. If not, we'll sign off for now and hopefully see you before the year's.
peace.
Adios.